Police charged 19 in major anti-gang crackdown. Police have charged 19 people accused of belonging to the so-called Genasyde Gang, an organization investigators claim was connected to murders, shootings, and robberies across several sections in Jamaica. The accused comprise 18 men and 1 woman. According to police, the alleged organization operated between 2021 and 2026 with suspected activities spanning St. James, St. Catherine, St. Thomas, Kingston, and St. Andrew. The charges followed targeted operations by the National Strategic Anti-Gang Division and subsequent identification procedures. 39-year-old Tefari Green, otherwise called Scoobs or Scrappy, has been charged with leadership of a criminal organization. Nicholas Henry, also known as Chemist, is accused of providing a benefit to a criminal organization, while the remaining defendants face charges of being members of a criminal organization. Bob Marley, One Love actor, killed in Portmore. Police are investigating the fatal shooting of actor Brian-Todd Anthony Boucher in Waterford, St. Catherine. The 43-year-old appeared in the film Bob Marley, One Love, portraying alleged Jamaican gang leader Claude Massop. Reports indicate that Boucher, who resided in New York, arrived in Jamaica only hours before Saturday night's attack. He and a 37-year-old man were reportedly walking along a roadway when gunmen traveling in a motor vehicle confronted them. One of the assailants is alleged to have exited the vehicle and opened fire. Both men were taken to the Spanish Town Hospital, where Boucher was pronounced dead. The second man remains under medical care. The St. Catherine South Police are investigating, but no motive or arrest has been announced at the time of the reporting. Water restrictions begin in Kingston and St Andrew. Thousands of National Water Commission customers are waking up to new water restrictions this morning as supplies from the Mona Reservoir are placed under regulation. The general distribution window is expected to run from 6 in the morning until 6 in the evening. Communities affected include Liguanea, Mountain View, Vineyard Town, Crossroads, and sections of New Kingston. Customers should store only the water they reasonably require and keep stored supplies properly covered. The NWC said the measures became necessary as dry conditions continue to reduce water levels. At the latest official update, the Mona Reservoir was approximately 62% of capacity, while Hermitage Dam stood at 47.4%. 73 NWC systems were reportedly experiencing some level of drought impact, prompting the agency to transfer water between networks and employ additional private water trucks. Ghanaian President begins official Jamaica visit. Ghanaian President Dramani Mahama is in Jamaica for an official visit coinciding with the country's emancipation and independence commemorations. The visit is expected to include engagements with Governor General Sir Patrick Allen, Prime Minister Andrew Holness, and representatives of the parliamentary opposition. President Mahama is also scheduled to participate in official commemorative activities as Jamaica prepares to celebrate its 64th anniversary of independence. The visit places renewed attention on the historic relationship between Jamaica and Ghana, particularly the shared cultural bonds created by the African diaspora. It is also expected to provide an opportunity for discussions on bilateral cooperation, trade, tourism, culture, and development. NEPA launches campaign following 128 drowning deaths. The National Environmental and Planning Agency has launched a countryside, beach and river safety campaign after police statistics showed that 128 people drowned at Jamaican rivers, ponds and beaches between 2020 and 2024. Of that total, 74 deaths occurred in rivers or ponds, while 54 were recorded at beaches. NEPA said the campaign will highlight hazards such as rip currents, sudden changes in river depths, alcohol consumption near water, and the dangers associated with swimming in unfamiliar locations. The agency warned that dangerous conditions can develop even when the weather appears favorable. Heavy rain several kilometers upstream can suddenly increase a river's depth. and speed, while beachgoers caught in a rip current can become exhausted if they attempt to swim directly against it. The public awareness drive will include school visits, community workshops, media features, and public service announcements. Those are the major stories making news across Jamaica. Police are continuing their investigations into the Waterford shooting. The 19 people accused in the anti-gang operation are expected to face the courts, and residents affected by the new water schedule are being urged to conserve supplies. Subscribe to Jamaica News now, turn on notifications, and share this roundup with someone who needs to stay informed. I'm your host. Thank you for watching, and have a safe and productive day. Subscribe today, turn on notifications, and never miss the stories that matter most. Jamaica News Now, your Highlands, your news, right now.